If you've seen my previous video on spinach, I grew all this spinach from seeds and it gave us so much harvest all through winters and early spring. And now it's the beginning of summer, and now you can see that the leaves have become smaller, it has bolted, you can see the flowers. So at this point, basically it's hard to harvest anything from here, so I could just remove it and use this space for something else, or I could wait till it forms seeds and then I don't have to buy the seeds in the next season. So that's what I did. I left all these here, and some of the plants are drying up, as you can see here. So if you look at this plant here, you can see the seeds forming here. At each node from where the leaf grows, the seed is growing. You can see a small round thing. So that's the seed. So here it is green, but here I found one branch that is completely dry. And if you look at it, all the seeds are also dry. So I can just get all the seeds from here. So as soon as I touch them, they just detach from the stem. And now you can see that I have so many seeds. So that's what I'm going to do for all these plants. So I'll just save enough seeds for next season. And once you have collected the seeds from the plant, leave it out in a shaded area to dry a little bit more. And once you think that they are completely dry, you can save them in a plastic Ziploc for the next season. So while saving seeds from your own garden, you have to remember a couple of things. One, dry them completely. Second, save them in an airtight bag. So as you can see that these seeds are completely dry, but I am still going to leave them in a plate in a shaded area for a few weeks so that there is no doubt that they are dry. Second, then I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag and then just keep them somewhere at the room temperature. But you can also refrigerate them, because then they stay dry there. So just keep them away from the freezer. So either save them at room temperature or refrigerate them. Both the methods work. But the best is to save them in refrigerator, because sometimes, at least in the bigger seeds, I have seen that some insects develop and then they eat away the seeds. So if you save them in refrigerator, then they are safer. So it is pretty simple. Use the spinach while it is giving you good leaves, and once it starts to bolt, then you can leave them to flower, and when the seeds develop, you wait for them to dry up like this and then collect them for the next season. So I hope this short video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.